Perilous industrial volatile environments require special lifting solutions to avoid a major conflagration or explosion. Harrington's new spark-resistant, lube-free air hoist meets the dynamic challenges. Hello, my name is Alan Mark, and this is Industry Visions. Our special guest, Business Development Sales Manager, Mr. Bret Lussow, live and direct from Harrington Hoists.
Welcome, Alan.
Bret, what are some of these perilous industrial environments that we're talking about here?
Well, there's two components, Al. There's dust and there's gas. So obviously in the gas, you're looking at petrochemical. That's a big application for air hoist during outage season. Imagine the Gulf Coast and all the petrochemical facilities. We need to eliminate spark. On the dust side, you have dust from grain mills and feed mills. Obviously, those are an explosive environment. And then the one that maybe we're all familiar with is a paint booth. There's obviously chemicals in the air from the painting process. We need to be very careful that we don't have a hoist that creates a spark.
So how does this air hoist eliminate all the dangers of spark?
Well, it doesn't eliminate all the dangers, but what we do is we make it spark resistant so it eliminates most of the dangers. So we have a certification, it's an ATEX certification, which is a European certification, maybe the most stringent in the world, and we meet it two ways. The first, the less stringent, is just by plating some common components. So zinc-plated bottom hook, zinc-plated chain. Imagine a rigger taking a standard painted steel master link and hitting it across a metal surface. All right. By plating these components, we can help to eliminate that spark. We can also take it one step further. We can meet a more stringent ATEX certification by actually providing a stainless steel bottom hook and stainless steel chain.
Now, what about the lube-free component of this hoist? That's also important in these industrial manufacturing areas.
Absolutely. There's lots of applications where you don't want to have oil exhausting from the hoist. So air tools use oil, and it helps to lubricate them and keep them operating properly. This hoist actually has special material in the vanes that don't need lubrication. So it could be a finished product, such as agricultural machinery, where we don't want to have oil exhausting onto the product. Maybe it's plastic film, where we don't want to have oil exhausting onto the plastic film. So we've actually eliminated the need for oil in this hoist. One other example is food handling or pharmaceutical applications. So we can use this for picking up products or components that would be used in the food industry, but we don't have to worry about contamination of the product through the exhaust of the oil.
And Bret, what are some of the capacities available with this hoist?
Standard loop-free spark-resistant air hoist will be available in 1/4 through 5 ton, and then the optional stainless steel hook and bottom hook available 1 ton and under.
Harrington's brand new spark-resistant lube-free industrial air hoist. Till next time, this is Alan Mark from Industry Visions. Goodbye, everybody.